All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's explain expert groups for us so we have a good understanding of what we're doing. So let's pretend that the colors red and blue, those are going to be our presenters. Now, our timekeeper is going to be white, and green is going to be our group leader. So the way that this is going to work is you are going to work with your team, with your group, and you're going to create a poster. And this poster is going to be based off of what's called a KWL, what you know, what you want to know, and what you've learned or what you like about the topic that your group chose. Now, we'll get into more of what that looks like in just a moment. But an expert group is actually a technique that we do in school. And the way that this works is that you'll have your presenters who are going to stay put at your group. They're going to have your poster, which is already finished, ready to present. Now, the other two people in your group, these two, are going to rotate. They're going to move. Now, let's make sure that we identify these. So each one of these here are going to then move. They're going to move to the next group. Now, you'll notice that there's still over here a timekeeper and a group leader. Well, these guys are going to move to this group. And then we're going to do the same thing at this group. They're just going to rotate, and everybody rotates once clockwise. So you have now new group leaders and presenters. New group leaders and timekeepers. Now we're going to keep doing this, keep rotating every time we do a presentation. But now you have two new students at your group, and you're going to present to them. And we're going to keep rotating. We'll just keep doing that until we've at least had a couple of rotations and a couple of times for you guys to present and see the information. You don't have to present to the whole class at one time. This is an opportunity for you to be able to present to a smaller audience, not a larger one, but still will give you that opportunity to say, hey, this is what we learned, and I want to share that with you. Now, important thing for those people that are watching, something that is going to be asked of you, is I am going to ask you to have some knowledge of what you learned at the end of this, because you're going to have to present to me, if I call on you, something that you learned, okay, from your groups. That's going to be the way that I keep you accountable. Accountable means making sure that I know that you learned something and you didn't just like go through the motions. So that is expert groups, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.